As we bid farewell to the Quartz Mountain State Park, we say hello to another road trip and more to see. So stick around. Don't go anywhere.
And this is Quartz Mountain Fun Park. A lot like the Funland that used to be in Wichita Falls.
There's also a 18-hole golf course just between this location and the state park. If this is not your thing and golfing is, well, you're in luck.
Hand painted pottery. Riverside RV park and cabins.
I saw some people fishing down on a little river and wanted to pull back in here and walk down there and have a look. This is right beside the amusement park. If you heard that click, it was the camera. I have Nikki's camera with me. I didn't actually see anybody catching any fish, but it looked like they was having fun, and definitely keep your feet cool. Right upstream, though, if you can see it, I'm not real sure if you can see it or not, but there was one of those little pedal boats, kind of a little two-person boat that you pedal around. They may rent them right on the other side of that bridge. Didn't see that and didn't go back and look. Get down there, or up there, or over there, whatever the case may be, may check it out. Nikki and I both decided that we were hungry, so we decided to turn around and head into town and see where we could find to eat.
Really wasn't going to video anymore, but came through Mangum, Oklahoma. That's a pretty cool looking old town.
Mangum is a city in the county of Greer County and is also the county seat. The population was 3,010 at the 2010 census. It was originally part of old Greer County in the Texas Panhandle. The community was named for A.S. Mangum, who owned the land on which the town was founded in 1882.
Take the next left onto South Oklahoma Avenue, then turn left onto Southeast Commerce Alley.
Gone but not forgotten.
In 400 feet, turn right onto East Jefferson Street. Take the next right onto East Jefferson.
Dang, they got the courthouse, post office, and the jailhouse all together.
Mm-hmm. It's efficiency. Hotel Franklin. Las Nachos.
Take the next right onto South Pennsylvania Avenue.
Oh, she's gonna freak out because I don't turn.
Take the next right onto East Commerce Alley, then turn right onto East Court Street.
Well, we went for a side view out the window. Now we're going to drive through with the front cam, but in a little bit faster pace. So maybe y'all won't be too bored. It's just an interesting and probably quite historical old town. Well, we started to eat at Sonic, but we changed our mind.
Alright, we headed out of Quartz Mountain State Park and over in Mangum, Oklahoma, and call it a day. Get ready for head home, have a shower,
Get out of the heat.
and get out of the heat. So, hope y'all enjoyed it, and we will see y'all next time. Y'all keep on keeping on, and we'll see y'all down the road. Bye.
Later.